So yesterday we went to a Korean barbecue place, and one of the sides that our friend ordered were these little pieces of bread. And when I tasted it, it reminded me of French toast. Now, these are very bland. There's no cinnamon on them or anything like that, but they kind of resembled French toast. So I decided that with the leftovers, I was going to have breakfast. So I went to the grocery store and they didn't have syrup, but they did have jelly. So we're going to give jelly a try. Put some of that on there. Okay, so now we have the jelly. And for the first time since we came to China over a month ago, I will be using a fork. Now that's a good breakfast.